Yes, we are proud Atomy. So yan yung ating company profile. Yan yung pinaka-favorite ko na company profile kasi nandun ako. 3 beses ako nag-appear doon. Maybe more, kaya lang 3 beses ko lang nakita yung aking sarili. Okay, so kung hindi pa po kayo nag-take ng inyong himuhim, we can open our himuhim and take your himuhim. Madali lang. Okay? It's an elixir like this. Um, Pinunit ko na, hindi nyo yata nakita. Pinupunit lang, tapos may opening po dun sa isang side. And then, inumin lang. Okay, let me stop my share so you guys can see us how to take himuhim. Ayan. Mm. Welcome po sa mga nanonood sa Facebook Live. So kung nagtitake po kayo ng Himuhim, recommendation po is 2 sachet in a day. So normally I would recommend first thing in the morning on empty stomach. Then make sure uminom po ng tubig kasi concentrated siya. Okay. And then depende po sa effect sa inyo, no? Kung mahimbing ka agad ng tulog pag ininom, make sure inumin mas late sa gabi. Pero kung gising na gising at mas maano yung energy, take it maybe around 2 p.m. yung sa second dose. Okay, so let me go back and share my screen again. Sana hindi mamali. Okay. So meet our center head from Army Atlanta Center, si Star Master Teresa Ann. And then this is Sales Master Ping, isa sa leaders ko sa aking kanang side. Ayan. Nag-attend kami ng Success Academy sa New Jersey during this time. Okay. Himo-Himo is our flagship product. So may isang presentation tayo na puro Himo-Him lang. So kung makaka-attend kayo nung Himo-Him Forum dyan sa Pilipinas, mag-attend para mas matutunan po ang Himo-Him. Our company nag-start po sa pamamagitan ng produkto nito. So, napakadaming benefits, antioxidant, ang patent niya sa US is anti-cancer. But personally, sa akin po, nakakatulong sa aking postnasal drip, sa aking allergies, energy level, and of course, it would boost your immune system. So, napakaraming changes sa ating atomy. Depende po sa region nyo, like sa USA, sa Singapore, sa Malaysia, napakarami. So, make sure na aralin talaga. So, isa sa mga changes na meron po sa Pilipinas and sa USA is yung pagre-register ng bagong member. So, you can either be a consumer or a distributor. Okay. So, bakit ko ni-emphasize yung consumer versus distributor? Ang difference is, kapag ka-registered kayo as a distributor, ibig sabihin, you are eligible for a cashback or a commission. So, since pareho naman libre, why not update your account right away to become a distributor? Kailangan pong magpasa ng TIN ID, valid ID, and then ilagay ka agad yung bank details. Especially if you're interested in earning that cashback. Okay? At least yung account nyo ready na to accept the income. Although today, i-discuss ko yung basic steps on how to earn your cashback, how to earn your first million pesos or $1 million in Atomy. Okay? So difference is, yung consumer mag-accumulate lang ng personal points, pero yung distributor mag-accumulate ng both personal point value at saka yung group point value. Okay. So, sana maliwanag po yan. Okay. Let's watch our chairman. So, kung hindi nyo pa kilala si Chairman Hangil Park, eto siya. Sa yung noong una, prior to 2009, nangarap siya na itayo ang company na to. And na nakakatuwa kasi at that time, wala pa tayong building, wala pa tayong mga delivery car, walang online shopping mall, walang website, walang opisina. Lahat wala. Talagang pangarap lang na magkaroon tayo ng company na global na magdi-distribute ng products na napakaganda ng kalidad, pangmasa, pero very luxurious. And then, nangangarap din siya at that time na magbigay ng $1 million sa makaka-achieve ng Imperial Mastership. But of course, merong first step on achieving those level of mastership. And yun yung i-discuss natin. But first, let's listen to his video.
Atomy business isn't about selling products to others. You should sell it to just one person. To whom? Now that you've become auto sales masters, you need to plan how you will shrewdly and wisely lead the organization towards success. There's an old proverb that goes, "A clever rabbit digs 3 burrows." That's how rabbits instinctively survive. It's my hope that you also dig 3 burrows. According to our marketing plan, you're supposed to have 2 partners on each side. But instead of 2, why not aim for 3 on each side? That would make it 6 on each side. So, you'd be personally nurturing 12 partners under you. It'd be wonderful if your partners cooperated with you smoothly. But sometimes they can be a bit stubborn. How can you prevent yourself from being swayed and held back by such people? You need a pool of talented individuals who are capable of being promoted and growing. If you even hint that you can reach the highest position by nurturing someone other than your partner, and they catch on, it will reflect on your leadership maturity. Instead, you should say, "It would truly bring me joy if my partner reached a higher position even before I do. I genuinely hope for the success of all my partners, or I'm doing my best to assist them." You should ensure that your partners perceive you as someone who's genuinely willing to sacrifice everything for their sake. How many burrows does a clever rabbit dig? 3. A clever rabbit digs 3 burrows. You're selling more than just products. You're selling a vision. Many people mistakenly believe they're only selling products, but it's that mindset that makes things challenging. Atomy business isn't about selling products to others. It's about selling to only one person. To whom? To yourself. Share this with the person next to you. Sell to yourself. And yourself only. If you meet 100 people, you need to inform them that they can earn $100,000 a month with this simple task. It goes beyond just selling a product. You're essentially offering life advice. Here's what you should tell them. Do you think your current job has good prospects for the future? Can you picture yourself still doing it in 20 or 30 years? Will it provide for your retirement? If the answer is no, join Atomy Business with me. Your words have the power to shape someone's entire life. I'm on track to become an Imperial Master, getting $1 million up front and pulling in $100,000 monthly. Make sure to keep spreading this message to people around you. As you talk about it, your dream starts to take shape and grow. A leader should never speak negatively. A leader should never utter words like impossible, difficult, hard, or exhausting. Instead, leaders inspire through positive speech, offering hope and painting grand visions for the future.
Okay, hayan yung ating chairman. O, di ba nakakatuwa yung training niya. So, naniniwala ba kayo na talagang posible na kumita na kaagad ng 1 milyon sa Atomy? Okay, less than 4 years ago, wala akong team na nagjo-join ng Zoom meeting like this. And then eventually, ka-attend ko ng meeting, finally natutunan ko kung paano kumita kay Atomy. At that time, hindi ko alam na meron palang main website. So yun yung tinatawag na global.atomy.com. Okay? So sa mga mahilig mag-research at aralin ang background ni Atomy, go to this website. Make sure you translate dun sa English version para mas makilala nyo pa si Atomy. But one thing that I can tell you about the company is that Atomy is a consumer-centered company. Okay? So talagang uh, ang pinapahalagahan is yung consumer. Lahat talaga ginagawa ni Atomy para sa consumer success. And then hindi lang tayo pang local but we are global. We have 26 branches, so 27 total. Ang headquarter natin is sa South Korea. And of course, sa Pilipinas, meron tayong channel atomy. Depende sa inyong country. Like for me here in US, palitan ko lang to ng US, yung direct website ko where I can watch videos, trainings, marketing plan, PowerPoint, product presentation, lahat na makikita nyo yan sa channel atomy. Okay? Nung nagsisimula ako, hindi ko alam na meron palang sariling PowerPoint si Atomy. May mga training, may mga video recording. So, dyan nyo yan lahat makikita. Okay? Yung paghimay-himay ng marketing plan at saka yung mga different strategies, ginagawa natin yun sa individual or sa one-on-one training or sa mga leaders training via Zoom. And of course, sa Pilipinas, ito yung direct website nyo naman kung saan kayo mamimili ng lahat ng produkto na gagamitin nyo sa Atomy. So, ang tanong, is it possible for you to earn 1 million cashback from Atomy? Okay? Well, I was able to make it. Okay? In the last 3 years, kumikita na ako ng ganyan every year. So, hindi lang naman yun yung promise ni Atomy. The promise is, we have a ceiling of up to $100,000 monthly sa Atomy just by using the products. Okay, nung una akala ko din kailangang magbenta kay Atomy, but no, you just have to learn the products by using it, and then once you love the products from the website, yung binili nyo mismo, then share it to your loved ones, sa mga kakilala. Okay, lagi ko sinasabi, napakadaling kumita kay Atomy. Okay, nasasabi ko lang kasi madali na ngayon. Okay, so Diamond Master po ako of the Atomy Atlanta Center USA. I've been part of this system since 2019. Pero hindi ko rin siya pinansin kaagad. It took me a while. Maybe it took me more than 1 year bago ko pa natutunan kung paano kumita kay Atomy. And then once nung natutunan ko na, of course, lagi ko nang inaabangan yung mga points. So, eto yung pinaka-topic natin today kasi kailangang matutunan yung first step, yung pagiging sales master. If you guys are new and this is your first time hearing about Atomy, maybe this is an advanced lecture for you, pero ang masasabi ko lang is, Atomy is a no-brainer business. No common, kailangan may common sense ka lang. Kasi for life, you'll be using the products of the Atomy. So why not switch? And then you can earn the potential income that we have in Atomy. So part of this discussion include, bakit kailangan ba nag-challenge? Paano mag-challenge? Anong preparation ginagawa for a challenge? And then yung mga sales mastership promotion and point value strategies. So most of this discussion is based from my experience, sa mga narinig ko, napakinggan ko, natutunan ko, and based on my own experience. Of course, kung bago ka sa Atomy, you will have your own story in doing this as a business. But at this point, even as a Diamond Master, I can say Atomy is easy. Okay. First, you have to try the products. May mga different dealership na tinatawag sa Atomy. Okay. May mga terms na minsan yung iba parang, ay, consumer lang ako, hindi ako magne-networking. Okay? Kahit hindi ka nasa networking business, all of us actually is networking. Okay? Natural na ginagawa natin yan. But with Atomy, magta-try ka muna ng mga products na kailangan mong gamitin. Let's say, toothbrush, toothpaste. Okay? So, kung ako po ay 47 years old na, For life, 'di ba? Simula nung bata ako na matutunan kong mag-toothbrush, nagtutoothbrush ako. But I wasn't get paid or gotten cashback from the previous company that I have. Okay? Naglalaba, nagkakape, nagtutoothbrush, naghihilamos, naglalagay ng sunscreen, nagsha-shampoo, nagko-conditioner, naglo-lotion, gumagamit ng panty liner. Lahat na, 'di ba? So kung yung mga bagay na yung ginagawa mo, eventually you will earn all this personal point value. Kaya madali lang. So sa Atomy, kung nagsisimula, anong pinakamurang products na pwedeng i-try? Toothbrush and toothpaste. Walong toothbrush na pang-adult, and then walong toothpaste na maliliit. That would cost you less than 1,000 pesos. I think 970 pesos sa Pilipinas. Walong set. Ako, anong gagawin mo kung bumili ka ng 970 pesos worth of products? Of course, i-share mo sa iyong kapamilya, sa kaibigan, kapamilya, kapitbahay. Okay? Kung walang budget, ibenta yung 7, gamitin yung isang set. And then if you love that product, then share it to your loved ones. Bakit ko sinasabi yung toothbrush and toothpaste? Very basic, pero very valuable kasi literal na walang panis na laway sa umaga, walang bad breath sa umaga. Kahit po nakamas ako, hindi ko naaamoy ang aking hininga, kaya gustong gusto ko siya. Okay? Aside from that, I love all the products of Atomy. So it only took me a couple months na mariting yung 2.4 million. Okay. Nagsisimula ka pa lang kay Atomy, you don't have to reach 2.4 right away. I would recommend as a newbie ng Atomy to at least try most of the products and at least reach up to 300,000 points. Okay? 300,000 points, naku, saglit lang po yan. Okay? Himuhim lahat na. Kasi every month naman, may mga magre-replenish ka ng mga products na ginagamit mo sa bahay. You have your household expenses. Okay? And then once you reach this 300,000 points, you can balance yung mga points kung paano mag-cashback. Okay. I would like to emphasize lang kasi um, between sales rep and agent, you can actually earn the income. Sa sales rep, you can earn 800 pesos on a daily basis except Sunday. But with the exact same effort, kung agent ka na kay Atomy, you can actually earn up to 2,400 pesos on a daily basis except Sunday. Same equal effort. That's why I said, mag-focus na magkaroon ka agad ng 300,000 points para ma-maximize yung income mo. Same effort, pero times 3 na kaagad yung equivalent ng commission. Okay. So, then that's for the dealership. And then yung sales master is the first level ng mastership sa Atomy. We have 7 levels. So, sales master, you first have to set kung um, anong period ka magcha-challenge. Kasi you can do the challenge or you can achieve the mastership twice in a month. So, either 1 to the 15 or 16 to the end of the month. And then if you reach the total group point value na 2.5 million sa left and then 2.5 million sa right side, you will earn the general commission and then the mastership bonus. Okay? Medyo advanced para sa iba, okay? Pero how much yung income na natatamo ng isang sales master? In a 15-day period, you can earn 2,400 pesos times 8. Kasi kailangan mong mag-commission ng 8 beses at least para each pairing mag-accumulate ng points hanggang maging 2.5 million. And then you get the mastership bonus. Sa akin, pumapatak siya ng at least $450 in that 15-day period. Okay, so do the math. Madali lang kumita kay Atomy. So almost $1,000 in 15 days. Imagine, this is first level. And then once you achieve the first level of mastership, the company will actually give you these gifts, one-time promotion gifts. So, naka-receive ako at that time ng 1 box Himuhim. I received the Fame set and I received the Atomy Evening Care 4 set. So, if you got promoted, make sure you use these products. Kasi after using the Evening Care 4 set, which probably would last you almost 3 months, okay? Kung daily mo siyang ginagamit, 3 to 6 months, who knows? And then the Fame set. para at least makita ng mga kaibigan mo na gumaganda yung skin mo. Use Himuhim for your energy level. It would make a difference in your life. Okay? So, ganun lang. Gamitin ang produkto and be the product of the product. Okay. Yun yung requirements and then kung paano maging sales master. And then in the future, i-detalyado pa natin. So, bakit kailangan mag-challenge? Well, this is the right direction. This is the best way to grow your lineage. Kasi kapag hindi nagcha-challenge, wala lang, patay na, nakatenga na, nakatambay lang, okay? And then if you know that you have set that goal, lagi kang lumalabas or lagi kang nagsishare. Build auto-consumers. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang 50 auto-consumers sa kaliwa at sa kanan, well, you get that passive income. This is also the best way to find business partners. Kasi usually yung mga nagiging business partners, yung mga gustong-gusto yung produkto, mahal yung love na love nila yung products and then they won't hesitate sharing about the benefits of the products kasi napakaganda, di ba? And then, eventually, kung sabay kayo ng energy and gusto niyo both maging successful, you will both do it. So, kaya, mas nagiging madali na yung pagiging sales master. Become auto sales master. Once you receive that auto sales mastership, of course, passive income is coming. Literal na paggising mo sa umaga, may income. Okay? Pero dapat pinagtrabahuhan ang ginawa yung mga step na dapat gawin para mag-commission at magkaroon ng cashback kay Atomy. And then earn passive income. So, natatandaan ko 2020, December 2020, when finally maintindihan ko si marketing plan. Kasi paulit-ulit man, pero medyo malito, kung talagang walang leader or walang mentor na uupo sa'yo, na iidetalyado sa'yo, line by line, medyo nakakalito. Pero at that time, sabi ko, kung totoo ang sinasabi ni Atomy sa marketing plan, that a sales master can earn $2,000 monthly, doing this business in 3 to 5 years will help me retire doing nursing in USA. Okay? Yun yung sinabi ko at that time. At that time, wala akong member, wala nag-a-attend na leaders, wala pa akong napapag-sharean. I just shared the Atomy sa 8 kapamilya ko, hindi, 8 kaibigan ko, and yung immediate family ko. Yun pa lang ang pinag-sharean ko ng Atomy. And from there, lumago at lumaki na yung aking Atomy business. Kasi napakaganda ng produkto. The product would sell for itself. Okay? Hindi na natin kailangan i-detalyado. Other actions you have to take is yung strategy na tinuturo ni Chairman is meeting 100 faces per day. Going out and meeting 100 faces per day. Kung nagsisimula, I would recommend start with your circle, with your family. Okay, this coming March, I'll be attending the Auto Sales Master workshop again, and that would be held sa New Jersey, USA. So makikita ko na yung mga leaders. I'm not sure kung may a-attend na Imperial Master, but of course, I'll be meeting most of our leaders up to the Crown Masters, and then they'll teach us on how to achieve Auto Sales Mastership. Yun yung pinakamahirap sigurong i-goal kasi it took me more than 2 years to achieve yung auto sales master. Ibig sabihin naging sales master ka 12 times. So at least every month nagiging sales master or 12 times in a year. Or ang maximum is 24 times in a year. So last year, I was able to achieve it 17 times. Okay, so 17 times almost 1,000. Okay? So compute that. But most of the time, lampas pa. Okay. So this is one strategy na pwede natin gawin. Once you commit yourself and you set that intention, of course, take the massive action. Kasi kay Atomy, laging sinasabi ni Chairman, focus in the next 3 months. Do everything you have to do. Work hard. Pero kay Atomy, you have to work smarter as well. Okay? Hindi lang puro work hard. Kay Atomy, most of the time is find joy and then work doing the simple things, simple steps, paulit-ulit. Ganun lang kasimple si Atomy. Okay. So, kapag nag-decide ka to do the business, if you decide to become a sales master, mahalagang maintindihan mo kung bakit mo ba talaga ginagawa si Atomy. Ano yung pinakang reason mo? Ano yung desire mo? Ano yung dream mo? Ano talaga yung goal mo? Is it retirement? Is it financial or time freedom? Is it helping others? Is it extra income? Is it for your family? Is it for your loved ones? Is it for your health? It is very important for you to understand your why. Make it so big na kahit parang sobrang dami ng rejections mo, you won't stop kasi ganun kalaki yung iyong dreams and goals in doing this to me. Okay? Meron tayong tools dyan sa ating website. It's about writing the life scenario. So make sure you write it down. Once you write it down, it would be your reality. So kung December 2020, I'm saying I would retire in 3 to 5 years. Okay, this is my fourth year. So I have another year, right? So it's happening. And most of the dreams na sinulat ko sa aking life scenario natutupad. Okay. Another thing is you have to change. First, you have to change your mindset. Mindset na madaling gawin si Atomy, posible ang kay Atomy, matutupad ito kay Atomy. Have that positive mindset. Kasi kung ngayon pa lang sinasabi mo, ay, sinasabi lang yan ni Raline kasi nandyan siya sa USA. Ay, kaya yan ni Raline kasi nasa karakteristik na yan. But if you don't believe in yourself or talagang sabi mo, ay, i-reject lang ako ng family ko, then ganun na yung mangyayari sa'yo. But then have a change of mindset na positive lang, eventually they'll still have to do this. Kasi nagsisimula, I got rejections as well, especially sa immediate family. They won't do this as a business. So sabi ko, if they don't do this as a business, I just need to put them on the list. Ilinya ko lang sila sa ilalim ko yung kapatid, yung nanay ko, kapatid ko, kapatid ko. And then pamangkin, pamangkin, pamangkin. Even if they don't do it in the first 5 years, every effort that I do in this first 5 years would still support and help them. Kasi yung business na meron tayo kay Atomy is parang bayanihan business. And my success and their success, once they become successful and I try to help them to become successful, I will be more successful. So it's all about helping others. So once na meron na talagang desidido na maging successful, you focus on those people or those members. Okay, yun yung mga actions. But of course, basic. Change your brand, change your store. Change your shopping habits. Kay Atomy na lahat. Lahat ng pwede mong palitan kay Atomy, yung mga household expenses mo, kay Atomy mo bilhin. Okay? Lahat yan meron kay Atomy. And I guarantee, mas magandang kalidad ni Atomy at mas mura kumpara sa produkto na ginagamit mo ngayon. Other actions to take to become successful on how to earn income, passive income dito sa Atomy is yung tinatawag na 8 steps to success, 8 core daily habits, okay? And then leading and serving your team in multiple ways. You can also host, you can hold your team, merong mga 101, marami, okay? So, make sure naka-plug in sa success system sa meeting like this. We have one-day seminar, Success Academy, Zoom meetings. We have North Carolina Global meeting every Monday, 9 a.m. Merong Vision to Reality every Saturday, 8 p.m. Other centers, Mindoro Center, Camarines, Norte Center, ang daming mga centers na nag-train. So, walang excuse para hindi matutunan si Atomy. Sabi ko nga nung una, if I can do Zoom meeting like this and just train people on how to earn income, wow, that's a great job, diba? Mag-retire ka, mag-zoom ka lang, tapos turuan mo sila on how to earn income, anong mga products meron kay Atomy. You'll direct them to the resources. Napakadali, diba? Okay. At least at this point, I can do Zoom on a weekly basis na talagang Zoom call ko. But normally, I would attend other Zooms pa rin. At least 1 to 4 meetings in a weekly basis. Okay. Preparation to do the challenge. So if you decided to earn the passive income or to get the mastership, the first level of mastership in Atomy, of course, may mga preparation. We have 3 months preparation bago mag-challenge, may 1 month preparation before the challenge, and then may mga things na ginagawa during the challenge. Okay, let me just, emotional kaagad. Hold on. So, make sure na pagbabalik kayo, di umbrella, mag-challenge ako, sales master. Make sure you do your prep, okay? Kapag desidido, mag-consult na kagad sa sponsor, sa leader, kung paano yung gagawin. Hindi yung ura-urada, 3 days na lang before the challenge, mag-challenge ako for sales mastership. Tapos wala namang palang ginawa. Would you be successful or not successful? So, to become successful, you have to do the preparation. Okay? Sa mga baguhan, anong pinakaunang dapat gawin? Of course, you have to be a consumer. Hindi yung nag-member lang pero walang ginawa. Okay? Hindi nag-try ng product. And then become an auto-consumer. Change your brand. Okay? And then once you love the products, yung lahat ng gusto mong products at paborito mo kay Atomy, start sharing it to your loved ones. Yun na yung magkikreate ka ng tinatawag na binary group. Left and right. Or left and right. Okay? And then, 2 lines lang. Kasi yan yung pinakamarami kong mistake in the past. Kasi hindi ako marunong, akala ko alam ko na lahat, lagay lang ng lagay, mali pala kung saan pinaglalalagay. Huwag niyong pakialaman yung right ng iba. Just focus on your line. Yung inyong left at saka yung right. Diretso lang. Kasi para mas supported niyo ang bawat isa. Okay. Of course, may strategy. Decide on your family line. Dapat isang line lang sila. Kung nasa left, dire-diretso lang yan, nasa left. And then decide dun sa mga hindi kakilala ng pamilya mo. Nandun sa kabilang side. Then go deep and straight. Dire-diretso lang. Okay? Huwag niyong, kailangan kumita ng anak ko, bigyan ko siya ng member sa right. No, don't do that. It would be a big mistake. Just go deep and straight and then group them together. Magkakapamilya, magkakasama. Magkaka-church, magkakasama. Magkaka-classmate, isang linya. Okay? Magkaka-opisina, isang linya sila. Then, unawain talaga yung point value system. Kasi, very generous yung points natin sa Atomy. Lahat ng products sa Atomy, may point value. Okay, may points. So, kung kayo ay may, ano bang tawag dun sa card dyan? Yung Suki card or something, siguro 1 pesos is 1 point, ganun ba? Sa Atomy, napaka-generous. Thousands and thousands of points. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi, ang dali talagang kumita kay Atomy. Kasi each time I'm using a product, I'll make sure I'll get a $60 cashback or I'll get 2,400 pesos. So almost halos parang libre na nga yung products na binibili ko kasi laging may cashback. Okay? You'll eventually get there. Believe me. And then once you understand the point value system, yung personal point value, points na mag-accumulate sa account mo habang binibili mo or ginagamit mo si Atomy. And then the group point value is points na galing sa ilalim. And then the good thing is unlimited level. Okay? Infinity, beyond your imagination. So kung nagsimula ka ngayon, 10, 20 people, if they will be doing all the same thing, mag-share kapag love nila yung products, lahat ng member nila, member mo pa rin. So if you got a member from Japan, all their members will be your members. If you have a member in Australia, all their members will be your members. If you have a member in USA, all that member will be your members. So is it possible or not? Is it possible or is it possible to earn income, earn passive income in Atomy? It is. Alam ko hindi mo lang alam at this time kasi wala nag-explain sa'yo. And maybe DM Raylan is still not explaining it as good. Okay? Kasi hindi naman natin makukuha ng isang upuan lang or isang training lang. Okay? And then once you understand that point value, ayan na. Of course, bago mag-login sa Facebook, make sure mag-login sa inyong Atomy app. We have Atomy mobile app and we have Atomy shop. Tingnan yung accumulation ng points. May pumasok bang points sa left? May pumasok ba sa right? And then evaluate. Anong kailangan mong gawin para makuha ang unang-unang commission? Okay? Monitor yung points. Lagi mong monitor. Bukod kasi yung monitoring ng general commission, yung daily commission, bukod din yung 1 to 15, and then bukod din yung 16 to the end of the month. Okay. Ayan. And then, like sinabi ko kanina, set your goal na agent ka na with 300,000 points. Kasi yung effort mo, laging ganon. Even as a diamond master, after I get my commission and after I get my mastership bonus, I'm back to an agent. Ganon ka-fair. Agent uli. So, ang goal ko lang is to get 300,000 points sa left, 300,000 points sa right, I get a commission again. Okay? And ang maganda kay Atomy, Hindi nag-expire ang points hanggat hindi ka binabayaran. Okay? So yung unang commission ko, 1.5 million is to 300,000 points. Sana pala, binilisan ko na at ginawa ko si Atomy para hindi na sayang ang points. Okay. I have some friends na may 100 million points na sa left. Kasi lahat ng nilagay ko, aakyat sa kanya before pa umakyat sa akin. Yun ang maganda. Halimbawa, 10 kayo, ang points nilagay sa ilalim kasi laging bumibili si DM Raylan, lahat yun aakyat sa lahat ng member ko pataas. From the bottom. Kaya lagi nila sasabi, fire from the bottom. So, bibili ako ng products every month. Bumibili ako ng Himuhim every month. So that's more than 60,000 points every month na itinutulong ko sa lahat ng member ko simula ilalim pataas. So you always have points on that common line. Pero never pa siya nag-cashback kasi never siya nag-share sa iba. Never niyang tiningnan ng Atomy. Never siyang nag-register ng ibang member. Kaya hindi sila nagko-commission. Okay. And then once you know how to get that commission, duplicate. And then this is actually independent business owner ka. You're a global online platform owner. So this is your business. This is not your sponsor business, but it is very nice if you are working with a supportive sponsor and great leaders under you. So independent business owner kailangan registered as a distributor. Kung consumer ka lang, of course, you can enjoy the products and you can take advantage of all the benefits. Nabubulol. Pareho pong libre. So why not? Okay? Take advantage of the cashback. So yun yung mga dapat mong gawin in the 3-month period. And then during that time, magkaroon ng one-on-one consultation with someone, with a sponsor na naka-plug in sa system na totoong naiintindihan ang marketing plan. Okay? Kailangan inaaral ang marketing plan. If you guys have missed the presentation ng one-day seminar ng Atomy Philippines, you can always go back sa replay sa YouTube and then sa Facebook channel nila. Okay? Laging tinuturo yan every Thursday. Okay, 1 month preparation. Kasi you're determined to do this. In 3 months, I'll be a sales master. So, anong mga dapat gawin? 1 month na lang. So, kapag desidido ka, yung mga i-register mo na member at yung mga consumer, make sure i-follow up. Okay? I-follow through. Hindi yung binilhan ng evening care faucet, then after that, hindi man lang finalo up kung tama ba ang paggamit, kumusta yung skin nila, nag-improve ba, yan. Yung pala, nandun, na-expire na, nandun sa ilalim ng mga products na tabunan na, nakalimutan na, ni hindi man lang trinay. Okay? Send an invitation. This is one of the strategy na ginamit namin during my second attempt to challenge as a sales master. Send an invitation, a letter or reminder sa mga consumers mo or sa friend. At that time, ang hirap mag-register sa Amerika kasi humihingi kami ng social security number at that time. So of course, wala namang kaagad magtitiwala. So we just made a letter na purchase for a cause. Kasi at that time, talagang tumutulong naman kami dun sa mga member na nasa Pilipinas to get their commission and to get their sales mastership. So yun yung letter na sinend namin. And then, sa mga kaibigan, pwede kang mag-start ng list. Start collecting pledges. Ano yung mga products na kailangan nila sa bahay nila? Ano yung mga products na bibilhin nila at that time? You can also start collecting the money kasi baka mamaya nag-order tapos sasabihin, ay, wala akong pera ngayon. So, pag nag-order, at least yung 50% kung hindi sila mag-order online, yung at least 50% ng pambili sa produkto nasa sayo na para hindi utang. Okay? Then identify your key leaders between sa left and then sa right. Sa mga leaders. Sino ba talagang gustong maging semi-sales master sa left? Meron bang gustong maging semi-sales master sa right side? Sino mga bagong member yung gustong kumita kaagad ng 2,200 pesos? Yun yung madali lang tulungan eh. Kasi parang 50% effort nila, same effort, and then you'll help them. And then discuss your strategies with the sponsor. So maraming mga strategies na pwedeng gawin. We can have small home meetings, facial party, cooking party. You can create events. You can do ramen party, tea party. Ayan. Okay. Introducing the products. Lahat na. You can do Go 100. Okay. And then you can also offer promotional or raffle gifts. So nung nagsisimula ako, kasi nga hirap din ako na mag-invite for others to buy the product. So each time that I'll do the challenge, I'll say kung sino yung pinaka-heavy, heavy consumer. Let's say nag-accumulate ng pinakamaraming points at that time, will win, like say, a box of Himuhim or a box of the Fame. Or on a daily basis at that time, I'm giving raffle gifts just to encourage others to buy. Okay? So, yun yung iba-ibang mga strategies ginapit ko. And then, ikaw, para sa sarili mo, you have to create your own shopping list. Anong mga products ang kailangan mo sa iyong tahanan? Okay? Sa kusina, sa banyo. Mga products na mauubos in the next month, na bibilhin mo next month. Okay? So, kailangan mong ilista din yun. And then, sa mga coworkers na hindi nagme-member, you can actually get pre-orders para sa group purchase. Normally, ang linya ko, I'll make a purchase in Atomy tomorrow. Let me know if you need anything. And then I will send the link. Kasi yung iba, they love the products, but they don't want to be a member. They love the products, they don't want to do the business. It's okay. As long as they want to consume and use the products, it would be fine. I normally would just say, well, there are points. You'll be missing the points. But if you're okay with that, sige lang, diretso lang. Okay. Wow. Overtime na pero wala pa rin tayo dun sa ano, no? Sa paano kumita. First day of the challenge. So on the day of the challenge, unang-unang araw. So, you first decide kung 1 to the 15 or 16 to the end of the month. So, ngayon is nasa second half na tayo ng February. Let's say you will challenge for March 1 to 15. Ibig sabihin, gusto mong kumita ng $1,000 in that period. So, anong dapat gawin? Once you have done yung lahat ng sinabi ko, member ka, nag-share ka sa left, may consumer ka sa left and sa right, you know how to monitor the point value. Ito yung left and right points, okay? Ito yung points ko. So let's say yung first day of challenge, March 1, you have to determine first anong kulang para magkaroon ng cycle. So let's pretend that this is March 1. Pag login ko, may points ako. Oh my goodness! Sold na ang left ko kasi to get a commission, you have to have 300,000 points sa left and then 300,000 points sa right. Yun yung basic. Okay? So, first step is redeem and reward. Ang kulang ko para mag-commission is 300,000 minus 54,000 to get the first commission on that first day. So, of course, kung nag-prepare ako, ifa-follow up ko ang consumer ko sa right side na nag-promise na bibili. Sabi ko, oy, okay, make sure you make a purchase on this day. Ganyan. Okay, yun yung the day before. I-date mo sa gantong day, March 1. So, yun yung first day. After that, set your goal again for 300,000 on each leg every day, left and right. So, second day na tayo. Pag login ko, ilan ang points ko? Nag-cycle na ako hapon. Eto na lang yung kulang ko at this time. So, follow up ulit. Okay? So, kung walang bumili at matatapos na yung day, yung mga nilista ko na para sa akin, I can use that or I can buy the products during that particular time. Instead of just an expense, it's still an expense, pero at least I'll get a cashback. So, pupunan ko either I'll buy 2 boxes of Himuhim kung anong kulang para maging 300,000 points and then I'll get commission. So, you do that on a daily basis up to 8 times. So, I do recommend that challenge in 10 days. Para at least kung kulang, madaling punan, madaling mag-follow up, sinong grupo ifa-follow up mo, sinong member ang follow up mo, sinong best friend mo, talagang very supportive na bibili talaga ng produkto na, uy, bilhin mo na para sa next month. O, diba? Or pwedeng pamigay yung, kung gusto mo, ipamigay mo yung commission mo, oy, bili na. O, yan, diba? Ang pinipilit ko, usually yung brother ko, yung mom ko, tsaka yung kapatid ko, send me your list. O, kasi kailangan din naman nila yung produkto para mapunan ko yung mga products na kailangan nila. So, challenge in 10 days. Nag-commission ka na na October 2, October 3, say March 2, March 3, let's say, okay? Pag 8 times ka na nag-commission na ganyan, meron ka ng 2.4 million sa left, 2.4 million sa right. So, kung ilan man yung kulang, para mapuna na 2.5 million, 2.5 million, then you'll become a sales master. O, diba? Sobrang dali lang. And then, 8 times ka nag-commission, so 8 times $60, yun yung commission mo. And then you get a bonus of $450 kung na-complete mo yung 2.5 million sa left and then 2.5 million sa right side. I say monitor your PV on a daily basis, morning and afternoon. Okay, imagine kung ganito yung points mo. Merong points na 245 sa left and then 243,500 sa right. So, ilan lang kulang? Isang box ng himuhim sa kaliwa, isang box ng himuhim sa kanan, and then you get $60 or you get $2,400. So, ilang tao ang tatawagan mo to follow up, especially if you have a himuhim consumer. Wow, ang daling mag-cashback, di ba? Okay. And then, you review yung mga commission. So, each time na magkaroon ng score na 15 at saka yung mastership level na 7, nagka-score ka, you get a commission. So, tawag dito, magre-reset na siya sa zero kasi binayaran ka ng Atomy. Okay? So, kapag ka ganito, 301 is to 309, of course, you get $60 or you get 2,400 pesos. Okay. Paano kung 723 and 335? So, kung ano man yung value ng inyong smaller leg, that is your commission. So, $60 pa rin. Okay, so make sure mag-follow up, i-review yung list ng inyong consumer, i-remind yung mga nag-pledge, and then reinforce. Yun yung preparation na ginawa mo in the first 3 months, di ba? And then last month. So, i-follow up lang yung mga consumer. So, Atomy is not about selling. Although it would look like sa Pilipinas, parang initially, we have to sell para ma-share at matry nila yung produkto. Kasi kung hindi nila naiintindihan or hindi pa nila nagagamit, they will not buy from that particular website. And then once you know your sponsor, of course, mas maganda i-update mo lagi si sponsor kasi si sponsor, kung marami siyang, let's say, a Royal Master has a lot of leaders. So kung ang direct sponsor mo is Royal Master na, you have to update what's going on this day. Yan, lalo na kung you're actively challenging. Kasi baka minsan konting-konti lang yung points na kulang mo and then kulang din siya, then your sponsor will definitely help you as she help herself as well. So sa mga nagcha-challenge, our Imperial Guangyo Kim said, Atomy is easy. And then with this picture, etong lahat ng tao na to na gustong mag-commission, lalo na yung mga bagong member na gusto mag-commission ng 2,400, yung medyo matagal na, yung nag-achieve ng sales mastership, at ikaw na gustong maging sales master, and let's say sponsor is DM Raylan. Kung lahat ng tao na to would like to earn their income, halos ang effort mo lang is sharing 5 boxes of Himuhim. If you're able to share 5 boxes of Himuhim, then you can earn the income from Atomy. If you're able to share 300,000 points worth of products dyan sa, from the Atomy website, then you can be a sales master. Paulit-ulit yon on a consistent basis. Every 15 days, yung 300,000 points effort mo, dapat laging ginagawa. Paulit-ulit. Okay? And kung nag-prepare ka at ginawa mo yung assignment na sinabi sa'yo ni sponsor, well, during the challenge, you can celebrate your success because definitely you will become a sales master. You will achieve that 2.5 million sa left and sa right side. So, pwede nang mag-relax. Konting follow-up na lang. Okay? So, ours to remember, yun yung mga pinagsasabi ko kanina. Yan yung mga natutunin ko during my challenge. So, basic is 300,000 sa left, 300,000 sa right side. You get that first income. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? Sino hahanapin? Mga tao na naliligo, nagtututbrush, naglalaba, nagkakape. Okay? Sino pa uling hahanapin? Mga taong gustong magpapayat, maging healthy, gustong maging mag-energize, yung mga naubusan ng buhok, gusto maganda ang shampoo, conditioner, yan yung mga hinahanap. Sino pang hahanapin? Yung mga tao na magaling magmarites ng magandang produkto sa Pilipinas. Kaya dapat mas madali. So kung meron kang at least 50 auto-consumer household na nagpalit ng Atomy sa kaliwa at sa kanan, you can become an auto sales master. So sobrang dali lang, 'di ba? And then sales master promotion requirement. Kung 300,000 points ka pa lang, make sure na umabot ng 700,000 points yung personal point value. Kung may problema at 300,000 ka pa lang, of course, you can do strategy number 2. During that period, DM Raylan, mag-challenge ako during this period. My team is ready. Okay? I will support you and help you to be promoted to a special agent. And then, gano'ng kabait si Atomy? Hindi mo na kailangan ng 2.5 million sa isang side kasi yung points na kulang mo idadagdag niya dun sa maliit na leg. So 2.5 is to 2.1 million. O, di ba? Sobrang dili. Make sure you review the website sa Pilipinas. Tingnan yung mga produkto na maraming points, maraming binibigay na promotion. Kasi yun yung mga primary na ipopromote mo kay consumer or kay kaibigan or kay kapamilya. Okay, another strategy to become a sales master. Let's say nasa special agent ka na kasi naging sales master ka na 3 months ago and now you want to challenge again. Of course, kung ano man bilhin mo sa inyong personal account, that would be added sa smaller leg. So kung ang smaller leg mo is 2.2 sa left side, idadagdag pa rin yan ni Atomy. That's how generous Atomy is. Sa mga desidido na kahit agent at this time, and this is a generous hidden company marketing plan na nandyan sa Pilipinas at accidenting natisod ko to. If you are consistent in sharing Atomy at this time, consistently doing it, the company will look at your accumulation of points in the last 30 days at kung ang small leg mo is nag-accumulate ng 1.4 from the previous month. So on the 30-day period, the system will look at you as a special agent. So parang ganyan. Kung previous month, nagkaroon ng 1.4 million sa left, 1.4 million sa right side, you will become a special agent kahit 300,000 points pa lang yung personal point value mo. And then, you can start challenging for sales master. Okay, let me see. Overtime na tayo, pasensya na. Alam ko sobrang daming information, but I just would like to summarize or highlight yung potential income kay Atomy. If you are an agent with a persistent effort of sharing Atomy products from different loved ones, friends, ito yung potential income mo. You can earn daily except Sunday. And then the sales mastership bonus is approximately 450 kasi binabawasan. Okay, so your potential income is up to 117,000 pesos. Kung agent. And then if you are challenging and you became a special agent, kung consistent, you can earn up to 189,000 pesos. Okay, potential income. Sabi niyo, totoo ba yan? Of course, totoo po yan. So, yun yung ating ano. And then, make sure you guys review yung semi-sales master promotion kasi meron yan tayo dito sa last leg na this. So, 2025, if you failed to become a sales master, if you only achieve 1.5 million sa left and sa right, and then the company will give you only 200,000 bonus. So, napaka-dali. So, kung dati, walang bonus kapag nag-fail ng sales mastership, this time, you can actually get paid ng $200 pa rin for the semi-sales master kahit mag-fail. Okay, so hanapin itong kay SRM Eddie. Okay, so sa mga nagsisimula, you can do semi-sales muna, yung 1.5, 1.5, but I'll say do sales master para kung mag-fail kayo, semi-sales pa rin. Or you can set as a diamond master kung gusto nyo, kung may dalawang sales master sa left and sa right. So, set your date first kung 1 to 15 or 16 to the end of the month. It's not enough to discuss everything about auto sales mastership. Usually, this is a 2-day training sa mga leaders. And hopefully, ma-inspire kayo. Look at this screen. There's only 7 masterships sa Atomy. Sales master up to imperial master. I would recommend for you to have the end goal in mind, imperial master. Kasi kapag naging imperial master ka, if it would take you 10 years, 20 years, lahat ng effort mo, mababawi. Kasi at that time, you will be given a bonus of $1 million, promotion trip tickets for 10 nights and 11 days, pakotse ka pa, pati yung driver, sweldo ng driver, babayaran ni Atomy. They'll give you an office, pati yung sweldo ng executive secretary, babayaran ni Atomy. Okay? So, yun yung Imperial Master. But at this time, I'm at the Diamond Master, so konting-konti na lang. So, if you're a newcomer, then set your goal to be a agent and then understand the marketing plan kasi napakadaling kumita kay Atomy. So, dito sa middle row, anong goal mo na income kay Atomy? Okay, 10,000 monthly ba? 20,000 monthly dollars? Or ang ceiling natin is $100,000 per month. Okay, laging sinasabi nila, see you all at the top. Ayan. So, I'm part of the Auto Sales Master Club. This is annual income. We have the Star Masters here. He's part of the Leaders Club, more than 100,000 annual income in dollars po ha. And then we have Royal Master Yusuk Song in this Zoom meeting. She's earning more than $200,000 income annually. Okay, and then Crown Master Jason Shim is earning more than $400,000 income in Atomy. Is it true or is it true? It's true. In Atomy, we have 13 Imperial Masters. So for those who want to be successful, success is for those who want it. So you can set your goal. You can join us. If you don't want to be part of the Atomy, it's okay. But joining Atomy and embarking the journey with Atomy is more than just a business opportunity. It's actually a pathway for me for personal growth and financial freedom. So, nangangarap ako talaga na makaka-retire ako ng mas maaga doing the Atomy. Okay, so just follow the steps, outline your goal and your dreams at this time, and then let's enjoy yung unlimited binary, unlimited accumulation of points. So, ini-invite ko po kayong lahat to take your first step. Okay? Try that product. So, lagi kong sinasabi, ride, learn, and drive. So, buy, use, and share. Ride the bus. And then yung second is learn the business, learn Atomy, be active in Zoom. We have unlimited information online. And then know your support system. And then lastly is drive as an agent, drive the business. Okay? Unleash your passion in doing the Atomy. And of course, serve in humility. So that ends my presentation. Medyo magulo kasi kulang tayo sa oras. But please come back next Tuesday and I'll discuss more about Atomy. Okay, see you again in Tuesday Atomy, 7:30 p.m. every Tuesday from Marinduque Global Center. And then we'll be doing the sharing not via Facebook Live, but via Zoom. So if you guys are interested, please hop into the Zoom. Okay, please unmute your mic. Company Moro, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, learn in humility. Okay, let me just stop my share so you guys can see the leaders. Okay, we have Royal Master Yusuf Song in the house, and I think she's ready. Is it okay for you to do Facebook Live sharing?
No problem.
Okay, let me give the floor. It's truly an honor to have a Royal Master leader in the house. So to all the Facebook viewers out there, you guys are so lucky. Please listen to our Royal Master Yusuf Song. The floor is yours.
Good morning, good evening, Atomy family. My name is Usuk Song and Charlotte, North Carolina, United States. I'm glad to meet all this group. Oh, it's a great presentation, Diamond Master Raylene. How to do this business? Yeah, very detailed. I love your speech. Just following this way, how to do. So, I've been in this business almost 13 years. So happy business. I have a big job last my life. I'm 65 years old. First job is my job after graduate college. I got rest nurse in my country, Korea. Very hard work. Emergency room and ICU. The 5 years I got a first job. So I'm very proud of my job. I'm very humble. Yeah, I want to support sick people. So I was happy. After get married, I'm come to United States. I got another job, no nurse. I'm do that own business, convenience store owner. 33 years, same job, physical work only. Because I'm the immigrant, I can use my red nurse certificate in another country. So I'm so proud of my second job also because get money. Well, I'm a hard worker, working hard so we can survive for all my family and feeding good food for my children and good education. All private school graduate K to 12. I'm okay. But what's the problem? My second job, so hard, stress so much. Small business, never stop my stress. So my husband and me getting old have many health issues. One day, 13 years ago, Hemoin come to us. When I met Atomy, I don't like network marketing because I'm brainwashed from television. MLMs lose money. Don't do that. That's why I'm brainwashed. I never ever done network marketing before. So I refused a whole year. Year later, I'm attending Success Academy. I met our CEO, Hangil Park. After listening his speech, I was so shocked. My last life, all active income, a labor income. What is the enemy system? The system income, passive income, residual income. So I'm trading at the time. So what is this product, this company? My income going up. No hurt anything. No hurt anybody. Just trading. I make my passive income, residual income, system income. Finally, the 6 years later, 10,000 a month income. 8 years later, after this business, 20,000 a year income. Why not? Just to try sharing, just to try product, and just to stay in system. That's the how to way success, how make money. Thank you very much, Rolin. You're a great presenter. I love you.
Thank you, Royal Master Yusuk Song. Ayan, palakpakan nyo. So, more than 200,000 annual income siya. So, more than $20,000, $30,000 annual, monthly income. Okay? Now, I would like to call the center head of the Atomy Atlanta Center. She's here. I know she doesn't want, but I'm forcing her to share with you guys this amazing Atomy company. She's the center head of the Atomy Atlanta Center from Georgia. So let me welcome part of the Leaders Club, Star Master Teresa Ann.
Good morning, good evening, everyone. Nice to see you all today. Thank you for sharing your great result from your experience. So everybody can catch that. She is not my partner. She is my mentor. She's my guider. So thank you. And today you're sharing for great view. Yeah, we have to prepare 3 horse. It's a very witty rabbit is making 3 horse. So really, Atomy is is a disaster. This is Atomy gave to us for very safety zone for our future. So it's very thankful for your sharing. And I think that everyone, if we follow today instruction, I think everyone succeed in their challenge easily and is to meet at the top. And also, she mentioned what is that? She mentioned you have to do decided family line for structure. Structure is very important. It mentioned from his own big mistakes. So we have to learn today. So we must setting right here is a strategy for our future. So thank you for your sharing also too. Yeah, Atomy is easy because even Trisa is a very late succeed, but I think I'm just following direction and following is our leader is Royal Master Usuk Song. I just following is her step. Everyone is just doing their own job, own part is very easy. But everybody is thinking about, I have to do it this way, that way. But Atomy is different. Atomy is just following is succeed people is steps. So if you do is to reach his top, we just following is your leaders is leading. So today I'm really thankful to his DM Berlin for your great lecture. So I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Star Master Teresa. Ayan, yeah. She's telling the truth. It took me almost 3 years to follow the family line. A big mistake that I didn't know. Okay, of course, sa Atomy, ang mag-asawa po isang account lang. If there's Star Master Teresa, we have Star Master Joseph Ann from Atomy Atlanta Center. So, let me hear from you, Star Master Joseph.
Good morning, good evening. Well, thank you so much for the Diamond Master rallying. Thank you. It was great, great. I'm proud of you. What today? What the smart rabbit and Atomy just what think about? Be simple. Rabbit digs 3 holes. Why? And to stay safe. If one hole is danger, escape another and another. Everything is destroyed. But Atomy is like the same thing. If we rely on just one job, it's risky. One job is risky, and other one is the escape. We can have another way to earn and stay secure, and that is Atomy. Like the smart rabbit, let's prepare for a safe and stable future with Atomy. How we save with Atomy? Just try to. What Diamond Railing already talking about. Why don't you try to first step sales master? If not, just try to first income. Plus minus $60. Try to first, commission from the Atomy. Later, just 2 times. Why don't you make it to try to? This is the challenge also, challenge to 2 times, commission 3 times, 4 times. If you just make it more line, more left, right, more line, why don't you try sales master? And more stable, why don't you try auto sales master? When you do auto sales master, it's completely system income, right? That is the auto sales master is the really, really strong one of the, borrow to save our financial secure. Really think about be simple again. Everybody different financial problem. If you need it monthly, $100, need more? Why don't you do Atomy make up $100? If you needed $1,000 per month, you need more income. Why don't you use for the Atomy just make it income even more? $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. You need it without your job on your job. Do Atomy. Just make it. Atomy giving you. I'm promised. This Diamond Master Rallying already talking about. We are the Atomian. We believe it. Atomy giving really strong our financial secure the lifetime and that giving to your third generation. That's I do Atomy. That's why I do Atomy. Really. My sister and brother just make it Atomy income. Little by little, is just make it $10,000 per month, $20,000 per month. This Atomy giving $200,000 for the month. Thank you so much. Back to you, Diamond Master Rally.
Thank you, Star Master Joseph. Okay, I forgot to say nga pala, we have third generation inheritance dito sa Atomy. Okay, anyone who would like to share via Facebook Live before I stop? Anyone who would like to greet their members via Facebook Live before I stop? Okay. Okay. So maraming salamat po sa lahat na nanonood at nakinig ng Tuesday Anatomy of the Marinduque Global Center. Totoo po na nagagalak ako na naging part ako ng Atomy. So kung nung simula ni-reject ko si Atomy, isa ako sa nagsabing, ayaw ko yan. Hindi ako nagde-networking. Hindi ko yan gagawin. Consumer lang ako. But then, nung matuklasan ko kung paano kumita kay Atomy, it's more fun doing the Atomy. Atomy is not just about the money, but by sharing and helping others become successful in doing Atomy, by sharing the products, because lahat functional yung ating mga health supplements, marami tayong matutulungan sa Atomy. Okay, but make sure you set your goal to become successful. Oh, DM says camera is open. Are you able to share? No forcing. I'm just happy to see you there with your camera. Okay, so make sure you set your goal. Do the 8 steps to success. Do your 8 course. So assignment for today, mag-login sa inyong Atomy app. Tingnan kung ilang points meron ka. And then tingnan kung ilang points na nag-accumulate sa left and then sa right side. And then set your goal to get that first income and Atomy. And then when you're ready, let us know. We can challenge together in your first sales mastership. Okay? Kailangan ko mag-promote ng sales master every month at least or every period kung kaya. Okay, so let's do this together. Maraming salamat po. I'll stop the Facebook Live. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again next Tuesday.
Thank you.